a pool shoot with a kiddie pool that we are attempting to inflate. Slowly filling, slowly.
We have just spent the last 45 minutes filling up this stupid pool.
We need like a rock, like 4 rocks. Oh my balls, that's so cold.
What's going on, everybody? Seeley here. Today we are in my garage with the amazing Phil. Phil is behind us and he is helping us out. We are shooting Shane.
That was awesome.
She's been whining and complaining and just being just a diva.
Oh my god, I'm not a diva. This water is literally ice cold.
It was 95 degrees outside today.
It is so cold.
It's the middle of summer. It's July. It's July what? 5th? July 5th.
It is the 5th, but...
Alright, to be honest, it is pretty cold. The water is freezing. Today's video is about how you can do a budget photo shoot using minimal gear without having to have a studio. So today we're shooting in my garage, and so we have this fancy pool. It's a 10-foot pool. I went to Walmart today, and this was on sale for like $15. I thought it was gonna be a great deal. This thing took about 2 hours to fill up because, where's my, this thing does not work very well for this thing right here. Luckily, my buddy brought his, what'd you call it? It's a compressor pump, yeah. And it still took us about 2 hours to fill this thing up. This thing was big. So I don't recommend getting this size, but it's about budget shots, about how to get some bangers. That's how they say it in the UK for dope stuff on a very limited budget. So we have this, 20 bucks. We have this pump, which I think I'm gonna return because this was $11. Didn't work very well. We got a sheet. This sheet here is 15 bucks. It's a black sheet, and we have it securely held down to the bottom of the pool using paint cans. A brick would work just as well. The lighting we're actually using Interfit LED mono lights. And so these things are 200 bucks each. We have a foldable octobox, the mono light, the LED, so that way we're using constant power so you can see exactly what the shot looks like. And the technique here is have the light source above and then kick it so that way there's some texture to the water.
Oh, no, not again, not again.
Diva. All right, so on a quick serious tip before we start shooting, serious conversation. For some of you that are really active on YouTube, you might have seen some drama going on with a particular photographer who's got a pretty popular channel, very established, but he's currently going through some interesting moments with some models. One of the comments I got on one of my videos not too long ago was, less talk about being a creeper and more talk about being a photographer. Well, I'm just gonna reiterate one more time. The reason why I talk a lot about not being a creeper and things to do to not be seen as a creeper and ways that you can not have those tendencies is because of what's going on right now on YouTube. My advice to any of you fresh to the photography scene, or those of you that have been around for a while, watch those videos, pick up those tips on how you can not be perceived and not pick up those habits that a lot of creepy types get, because all it takes is one person, in this case multiple people, I think like 8 or 9 up to 20 are speaking out so far against this particular individual. I'm not going to talk about how I personally feel about the situation because at the end of the day an opinion is just an opinion and I don't know the facts, but the fact that some drama is going on, it could have easily been avoided if certain things had not been done. Take extra precaution, do things not to be perceived as creepy, and hopefully it doesn't happen to you. All right, ready to get shooting? Let's go. Good, mouth. Good. Okay. Good. Turn your face more to your left. More. Good, bring that left shoulder up towards your chin.
those lights are just the ripples. They're awesome.
She's with me. You have anything to tell the viewers?
Brett tried to kill me today. That's all I gotta say.
I need a haircut. I'm bushy. I'm looking at your hair. It looks all nasty.
It
My hair's
is
kinda
literally,
nasty too.
it is like a nappy. I don't even know what's happening. I don't even know how it happened, but it's a big rat's nest.
Normally the models take a little bit better care of themselves, but today she just got off work or something. I don't know.
I did. My hair was in a ponytail. I didn't brush it. And now it's in the water, and now it's like a fro.
Girl, you left a lot of your hairs in there.
I know, you have all of my DNA.
Girl, those are leg hairs.
Those are leg hairs?
That's a leg hair.
That is a long leg. They are not leg hairs.
There's a whole bunch of your leg hairs.
It's my actual hair, not leg hairs.
Yeah, actual hair from her legs. The recap from today is this. When it's cold, try to empathize with the model because the water was pretty chilly. So when possible, try to give her a heater close by. I just didn't have one today. When possible, give her a break. We just didn't have time to do that today. If possible, try to use warm water. We did not have that today. And if you can, give her some time to come out and warm up. But we did not do that today because we're doing this for you guys. You're a champ.
You're
high five, girl.
Okay.
Dang, she got it.
I got reach.
She's like, F1.2 ISO was, I believe, ISO 400 and 1/200 on the shutter speed. That's all I got. You got anything?
I just can't wait to see how everything turned out, honestly, with all the different like lightings.
That's it?
Honestly, this was probably the coldest water that I've shot.
There was the country that I hear say Lightens.
Lightens.
Latins?
Yeah. If you're still watching this, thank you so much. I appreciate y'all hanging out this long. If you learned something, please consider clicking on that notification bell so that way you get updates every time we post up a new video. This is video number 4 for her. We're probably going to have her in a couple more because she is all right as a model. She's just okay. Don't compliment her. She's almost decent. The thing that helps us out the most, if you saw something or if you have any questions about what you saw, make sure you leave a comment down below so that way we can get some more information to you. My goal is to help you become better so you can make more money, or my goal is to help you become better so you can shoot more of what you like to do. If money's not a thing for you, which must be nice. It smells like...
It smells mildewy.
Yeah. Did you? Yeah. For those of you, photographers and models, who want to come along with a bunch of other amazing photographers and models, the end of October, beginning of November, October 30 through November 6. My buddy Jody Wright, I'll post his link down below. He and I are going to be going down to Phuket, Thailand, where we're going to be doing a lot of photo shoots, hanging out with elephants, playing with monkeys, going to PP Island and doing a whole bunch of fun stuff. You went to Thailand, yeah?
I was there last year.
Amazing?
Oh, it was the best trip ever.
Amazing.
It was fun.
Yeah. This is about how tall normal time. I can't say that in that video.
Probably not. Cut that. Cut that.
So you want to come and hang out with a bunch of other creatives and models and create some amazing content and learn, consider coming with us. We'll put some info down at the end of this video. And until we see you again next time we shoot, keep shooting.